Hello.
Hi, welcome to the class. How are you today?
Yeah, I am very good.
Great. Okay, this is our first time talking, so please introduce yourself. So who are you? What do you like? And why are you using Cambly?
Yeah, sure. And thanks a lot for giving this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. My name is Tejas Yadav, and I like workout and listening to music. And I am very health conscious person. And I have completed my post graduation with English. That's why I am here on Cambly for improve my English.
That's why I'm here on Cambly. What?
Because I have completed my post graduation with English.
Yes, and you said something else. You said, according to my English.
Your voice is very seems very slow.
It seems very slow. Okay, maybe turn off your camera. Can you turn off your camera? If my voice is slow, it's probably your internet.
Yeah,
So
it
I
has been.
advise turning off your camera.
Yeah, now I can hear you properly.
Okay. If it happens again, you should turn off your camera so the connection is better. Okay. So, what is your job? Are you working?
No, I am not working. I am just learning.
Okay, cool. And you're just studying English?
Yeah,
Cool. Why English? Why are you studying English?
because I think there is a lot of things regarding learning English that I can do my dream job, and there is a lot of purpose for learning English, but and personal development and personality development also matters for me. And I think people around me think that speaking English is not a big deal. So I want to prove that it's a very big deal for us if we can't speak our second language like English. So yeah, there is a lot of things about English, and I like speaking English. That's all.
Okay, cool. So nobody around you is speaking English?
Yeah, they don't speak.
Okay. So one thing you keep saying is we need to say there are a lot. There are a lot, okay? When you're pluralizing, there are a lot of things I can do.
Yeah, thanks for correction. Or else, I have seen many tutors that if I speak wrong English, even they support us with my wrong English, and they don't correct. So you corrected my English. So thanks a lot for this.
You're welcome. Okay, cool. Thank you for introducing yourself. I will introduce myself now so you know who you're talking to.
Yeah.
And then we can do a conversation topic together. So my name is Lily and I come from England in the UK, but I don't live there. I have not lived in England for 4 years. After university, I moved to Vietnam and I became an English teacher there. Then I moved to Thailand. Then during the pandemic, I was in Argentina. But now I'm in Mexico. I've been in Mexico for 2 years. And yeah, in my free time, I help organize volunteer projects in the community. I dance salsa and I practice boxing. So that's a little bit about me. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, you have done a lot of great things. So I would like to know about your age because you have done, I think so, it's a very big milestone.
Yeah, I'm 27.
Same here.
Cool. Okay, nice. Any other questions?
Not I have any question, but you we can just go with any topic if you would like.
Okay, cool. If you have any questions, you can just ask me. But let's have a look. Let's choose. You like health and fitness, so we can choose something connected to health and fitness. Maybe that's the best. Healthy mind, healthy body. Working up
Yeah,
a sweat. Okay, let's try one of these. So, uh, what do you think work up a sweat means?
I think it means work very hard.
And what do you mean work very hard? In what way?
It's like workout.
Yeah, so usually exercise. Okay,
Yeah.
to where you're sweating. So, do you like exercising? And what exercises do you enjoy the most or the least?
So I like exercise and I like push up most because by doing push up there is a lot of benefit in our body like shoulder. We increase our shoulder and chest, and I think it's very fit exercise for whole body. And I don't say about least.
Okay, so we need again, there are a lot of benefits rather than there are a lot of benefits.
Yeah, there are a lot of benefit.
Benefits.
Yeah, and as benefits.
Yeah. Do you think you get enough exercise and how often do you exercise?
Yeah, I usually do exercise at 30 past 7 p.m.
Okay, so that's a weird way to say that. We just say 7:30, 7:30 or half 7.
Yeah,
Okay. We say 7 p.m. or 7:30 p.m. or half 7 at night. These are the ways we would express that. Okay.
yeah.
Exercise and the brain. Can you read this?
Most people know that exercise has many physical health benefits, but exercise is also good for our brains. Research indicates that 30 minutes of exercise a day can improve memory, mood, learning ability, and the ability to cope with stress. And a single session of exercise gives the brain a temporary boost, but people who exercise regularly see the biggest gains in brain power.
Okay, cool. So, how does exercise affect the brain? Can you explain that?
Yeah, sure. So I wanna say about brain. If we exercise, that time we feel tired and our mind feel relaxed because our whole attention is on uh, our mind that time, and that's when we
Our
do.
whole attention is on our mind that time.
Yeah, and we don't think anything else that time. I think while exercising.
This doesn't make sense. Our whole attention is on our mind that time. I
Yeah,
think you
it
mean
feels.
whole attention is on the exercise, not on our minds. On the exercise is on our body. Our attention is on the exercise, right?
Yeah.
You said the attention is on our minds. That doesn't.
Yeah, maybe, but it just seems to me. So I think I'm
So when you
wrong.
are exercising, you're thinking about your mind, you're thinking about your brain when you exercise.
Yeah, that time I don't think anything else. It just
What
feels to me. But
what do you think then?
that time I just feel relaxed and
Okay.
yeah,
What are you focused on?
that time I just work out and
Okay, so
my
I am focused on the workout.
yeah,
My attention is on the workout. My
right.
attention is on my mind. Makes no sense. My attention is on my mind. I'm thinking about my mind. You're not doing that. My attention is on my workout. Your attention is on your workout and just this. So be careful what you're saying because sometimes it is confusing. Okay. Okay, but yes, so we can say it clears your mind. Clears your mind as you focus on the workout. This makes more sense.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you read this page for us? We have some vocabulary.
Yeah, physical means relating to a person body and to indicate to show something mood the way a person feels to cope to deal with a problem boost help or encourage an increase in amount a push upward gain an increase in amount of something that is helpful.
Okay, which ones are new?
For me,
Mm-hmm.
I think to cope.
To cope. Okay. So we often use to cope with stress, to cope with my problems, like this, to
Yeah,
deal with. Okay.
yeah, so in my opinion when I do work out then I cope with anxiety and I cope with yeah stress so
So we
that
can say working out helps me cope with anxiety and stress.
yeah.
Yeah, good. Good understanding.
Thank you.
Okay, nice. So, can you make a sentence? Oh, can you read? We have one example here. Can you read this example physical?
Yeah, we exist. So
Physical.
exhaustion, physical.
My
My
exhaustion.
exhaustion today is mental, not physical.
Yeah. Do you know what exhaustion is?
I don't know.
It means really, 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 really tired. Okay.
Yeah,
Really, really,
so
really.
I think I read about exhausting.
Okay. Yeah, exhaustion is the noun. Okay. We're going to run out of time, so I recommend review this vocabulary. And nice to meet you. Okay. Good luck. You're doing really well. You're doing really
Yeah,
good.